Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can change the background of any image very simply and very easily. So I will not waste any time as the video will be a little bit long due to some detailing. So I don't want to waste much time in the introduction. So let's get started. First of all, I have this image on which I will like to change the background. So for this I will select the character and the railing on which he is sitting, and we will change the background. First of all, I will do the selection of this, and then we will move forward. I will fast forward it so that the video don't get so long. Okay, so done. It's looking good and my character is selected. So I will press Ctrl plus 0 so it will get to the 0 zoom. Now I will mask it out. So for this I will click on this button and you can see the background has disappeared. I have masked it so that in lately if I need something into the design from that background, so I can change it. So I will also recommend you to not delete it but instead mask it. So now I will put the background that I want behind this character. So for that I have already downloaded the image. These both images are from unsplash.com. You can download it from there. I will also put the link in the description. Now I will press Ctrl A to select it and then press simple V for the move tool, and I will move it to the document where I want to place it, and now I will enlarge it to the size I want it to be. Okay, I think it's good. Now I will adjust it according to my design. First of all, I will bring that character upside, and you can see it's looking good at this place. Let's adjust it a little bit. No, it will look a little fake here, but instead it will look good here. Okay, so now I will adjust the colors and some levels of the character and the background so that they can match with each other. First of all, I will select my character and I will go to image, adjustments, and then brightness and contrast. Now I will lower the brightness to -60. I think it will work, and I will increase the contrast a little bit to 40, and it's okay. Now I will go to image, adjustments, levels. I will adjust the levels. No, not that much dark, a little bright will work good, and it's okay. Then I will go again to image, adjustment, exposure. Yes, that's good. Now I will change the color of the character to match the background. So for it I think let's go a little yellowish. Or I think we will stay at 0 and I will decrease the saturation little bit. Okay, so it's fine. Now I will do some adjustment to the background. I will click on image, adjustment, brightness and contrast. I will lower the brightness to increase the contrast a bit. Then again image, adjustment, levels. A little darker is good for us. Okay, then again image, adjustment, vibrance. Let's check which one will work good. I think going off is working good. Yes. So these two images are matching a little bit now. Now we will group them. I will press Control and then the other one, the other layer. I selected the layer and then I pressed Control and selected the second one, and then I will press Control G. Now again I will press Control J. So I have the source here. I will turn it off and I will convert it to smart object, and now I will rasterize it. I rasterize the layers because smart objects sometimes restrict some actions to them, so that's why. So now I will go and give some adjustments from filter, and oh sorry, first of all I will go back, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, and I will go to this section here and I will select the background and I will apply the Gaussian blur, so it gives good look. 4 I think will be okay. Let's see. No, it didn't work. Again let's go to blur, Gaussian blur. Let's keep it a little realistic. Yes, it's good. Okay, now I will delete this one and I will create copy of this one, and now I will convert it to smart object first and then I will rasterize it, and now I will go to filter and camera raw filter. We will wait until it opens. Okay, here it is. Now I will adjust the colors according to the need of ours. A little bit realistic will be good one. Yes, it's good. Let's expose it a bit, and contrast will be increased a little bit too. Highlights to something. I decrease the highlights all the way down. Sorry, shadows a little bit down, whites a little bit up, blacks a little bit down. No, sorry, blacks are not looking good down. Let's bring them up. Clarity, I don't want this, so I will give it a little bit clarity to I think 5, and the haze to 5.2, and vibrance will be a little bit up and saturation will be 2. And now I'll press OK. So now you will see the change. Okay, yes, so you can see that our image is changed totally. Now we can also give some more adjustments if you want, like brightness and contrast. We can brighten it a bit more contrast in it, and I think it's okay now. Let's check the results. I'm opening the image that I used. I will crop it so we can compare them. So you can see now, from this to this we have converted an image into such a class. So you can also do this. That's all from today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I will like to see your comments on the tutorial. what you have learned or what you want to learn. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn that notification bell on so you will be able to get new notifications from the channel. That's all from today. Let's see you on the other side. Until then, bye bye.